CooperD 2016 rear brake light bulbs. Now unfortunately both of them are not working, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Now before I do that, check this out. Press the brakes. Now as you can see, this one here, the bottom one's working, but the top one isn't. And on this side, the bottom's working, the top one isn't. To do it, it's quite a simple procedure. We'll just show you. Can you just let go of the brakes, please? Thank you. Now if you come in here, I've already got the bulb. It's a 382 bulb. All I do is, let me get my hands in there first. That's it. Push it in. Now you got to push this little spring in, this little clip in, and then pull this towards you. So use your middle finger to push the clip back, and then use this finger to pull. And then on the inside there is another one, same one. You push it towards you, and then pull the whole thing out. Once it's out, it's the top bulb we're replacing. This is the bulb we need to replace. So if I get this bulb out, it's a single filament bulb, a 382. Now that's a 382, a single filament. Once again, I then put the bulb in. There is only one way the bulb would go. So let me find a way first. Here we go, that's done. Now if you could just press the brakes for me, please, you'd see these two are working. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing again now on the other side. I'm going to push this back in. There's only one way again this would go. So you slowly, you got loads of wires, push the wires back, and then slot it in. That's it, that's done. If you look at them now, press the brakes, you can see the whole thing is working. Now the same procedure on this side. You've got this little cover here. Pull the cover out. Let go of the brakes here. Now on the inside here, you got the same thing. So you got one clip on this side, one clip on this side. You can't push both of them in. You can, but you got to use two hands. But I'm using one hand at the moment. So I'll push this one in, pull this out a little bit, push the other side in, and pull the whole thing out. That's the bulb I need to replace. Now I've got the new bulb somewhere around here. Now it's a 382 bulb. That's it, that's lovely. That's the bulb you need. It's a 12 volt. Take the bulb out. Get the new one in. Now look on the inside as well. So there's only one way the bulb would go in. So it has to go through that little slot there. And then, job done. Now putting it back together as well. Same thing again. Now there ain't many wires inside here, so you can just slot it in straight away. But we'll just get it checked now. Right, if you press the brakes for me. Now as you can see, the top and the bottom is working. The top and the bottom is working. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else like the indicators or the tail light, the side light bulbs basically, the indicator, the fog light's right here, and the reverse is just there as well. So you can do it all in one place. If you've got to replace all the bulbs, just replace them at once, but otherwise just replace the one that needs replacing. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you, and goodbye.